YouTube channel, and thank you for all that are viewing my channel, subscribing to my channel. I'm seeing good things are growing my YouTube channel because of your love. You're supporting me by liking, sharing, comments, and subscribing. So guys, I thank you all because I started my channel without knowing that my channel can grow. So guys, it's by your love that you are showing to my YouTube channel by commenting. So guys, continue subscribing, continue liking. Your subscription will be highly appreciated. So guys, as you know, nothing is easy when you start. The start is very hard, but I keep going on whenever I go through, but I still standing firm to make that, to try that, to see that my channel is growing. So guys, as you know, I like village life, and today it's a very very good day, but are not going well, but hope God knows all. So I woke up in the morning and found that my house fell down because of the rain that rained the previous day, and the wind was very very strong. It took my house down, but guys, I don't know even when to start, but it's okay guys, but because it's the only God who knows why. So let me show you how it goes. So follow me to the action. It's so continue guys.